Today we are here in
South Forbes Villas.
and I will show you what 152 square meters lot looks like. Tara! Mag-start muna tayo with our one-car garage and meron din tayo ditong service area and also ang ating helper's quarter na ipapakita ko later. And dito naman is our landscape garden. So, meron tayong space dito, perfect for our plantitos and plantita. So, at least, meron ng mga existing plants. So, kung magsisimula ka from zero, bibili ka ng mga plants, mapapagastos ka pa. So, at least meron tayo existing plants na i-improve na lang natin. Dito sa ating main entrance, meron tayong steps going to the main door. So, here is our living area. So, even though patayin natin lahat ng ilaw dito sa bahay, is napakaaliwalas niya. Meron tayong source ng natural light and natural air. So, ayan, open lang natin yung windows, then i-close natin yung mga screen windows, ayan, para ma-avoid natin yung pagpasok ng mga insect and also yung mga alikabok. So, in this area, pwede tayo mag-set up dito ng living area, yan. Anywhere mo naman ilagay yung couch is perfect siya dahil maganda yung view natin. And, ayan, ito yung stair going to the second floor. Pero dito muna tayo mag-start sa ating kitchen area. So, we have here our square shape na center island or kitchen island. Actually, complete fixtures na siya. Gamit mo na lang talaga yung kulay. Pwede mo na siyang tirahan. So, meron tayo dito stove, oven, and range hood. Included na siya upon turnover. So, it also comes with a drawer and also cabinet. Ayan. So, all included na rin siya. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-spend ng extra para sa pagpapagawa ng cabinet. So, it also comes with this modern sink na rin. Plus, ayan, dito sa area na to, pwede na nating i-set up yung ating dining area. So, perfect siya. Meron tayong view. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung ating landscape garden. So, ayan. Mga around, more or less 2 meters siya. Yung pinakang lapad niya. And ayan, from the main entrance natin, ito may access tayo dito sa ating landscape garden. And ganun din naman sa ating other side. Meron tayong access going to the dirty kitchen and our helper's quarter. So, check naman natin yung other side ng ating property. Ito yung ating dirty kitchen, daily kitchen, or pwede ring service area. And our helper's quarter. So, ito, ang kagandahan niya is, unlike ng mga usual na helper's quarter na medyo maliit, ito, halos kasing laki na siya nung regular room natin sa second floor. Plus, meron pang sariling toilet and bath na very spacious din. So, aside from the owner ng property, syempre, yung helpers natin is comfortable din na maninirahan dito sa ating property. And now, i-check natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ito parang part lang siya ng design. But this one, ito yung ating powder room. Yeah. So, very spacious din siya and high ceiling na. So, kahit medyo matangkad yung mga magiging client natin is pwede pa rin. Perfect siya para sa mga visitors natin, guests, or other family members na dadaan lang saglit sa property para bumisita. So, hindi na nila kailangan umakyat sa second floor since meron ng powder room dito sa ating ground floor. Now, check natin yung ating second floor. So, ito kung mapapansin nyo, mukha siyang wood pero it's actually a metal railings. So, ang ganda rin yan. Ang ganda rin niya na as a part ng design. So, kung napansin nyo yung colors ng property, meron siya color ng wood, ayan, white, beige. Perfect siya para sa mga clients natin na naghahanap ng mga modern design. So, check muna natin yung ating first bedroom. So, this is our first bedroom. It comes with an air conditioner plus meron na rin siyang kasama na cabinet. Ayan. Meron na siyang built-in cabinet. So, yun na-mention ko kanina na helper's room natin, halos kasi laki lang siya nitong room natin sa second floor. Or halos kasi laki lang siya ng regular rooms dito sa ating bahay. Here is our second bedroom. So, same kanina, included na rin yung ating air conditioner and ang ating built-in cabinet. Ayan. Literally, gamit nyo na lang yung kulang kasi complete finish na siya. Wala nang need ipagawa. So, here is and this is our common toilet and bath para to sa ating bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. So, complete fixtures. Meron tayong toilet, lavatory, meron na din tayong spacious na shower area na meron na ring glass partition. Now, I'm excited to share with you our master bedroom. So, parang times 2 yung size niya compared dun sa mga regular rooms natin. Of course, di mawawala yung ating mga built-in cabinets. Ayan. So, kasama na rin dito yung space pa for long dresses. Ayan, pwede mo lang i-hanger dyan. And, ayun, katulad nung na-mention ko kanina sa baba, bawat sulok ng bahay is really spacious and at the same time, meron siyang natural source of light and meron tayong natural ventilation dito sa ating property. So, plus, syempre, meron din tayong balcony. So, tara, let's check our balcony. So, ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, very spacious siya. Yung whole frontage ng second floor is na-occupy siya for a balcony. So, ang kagandahan sa master bedroom, lalo na if mahilig kang mag-muni-muni, ayan, mahilig kang mapag-isa, at least meron kang private access going to the balcony. So, it comes with a full-size mirror. Ayan, perfect yan para if mahilig kang mag-OOTD. Ayan, check mo muna siya. So, another ayan, cabinet now. Ito naman yung ating toilet and bath. So, meron tayong lavatory, drawer, toilet, and ang ating spacious shower area with glass partition na rin. And that's it for today's video. So again, just to recap, this property has a 152 square meters lot area with 220 square meters floor area. So it has a 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, powder room, and a car garage. So if you are interested and you want to schedule a site visit, you can message me at 63965 0759 571 through iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp. See you!